Where'd you go? Oh, there you go. As we are officially at the Cripple Creek Gold Mine.
Yeah. Surprise Labor Day weekend trip.
The Molly Kathleen Mine. Looking forward to it.
Very resting.
That it is. In 1891 initially started. We have the Cripple Creek Gold Mine, which again is in operation. As again, it's got like all that mining still going on over there.
Yeah, we got to see that from Pikes Peak, like kind of the area above, or from above. We got to see that. Was pretty cool.
See, that's why I was like, at least when we were doing the Cog Railway, immediately thought of, or at least we were going to do it last year, and I was like, oh, well, we're going to be in the area. And it worked out with our Airbnb being in the area as well too. That it's like, oh, we definitely have to check the old train, like night train.
Like the big old helmet.
Yeah. On the rail car, like restaurant.
Yeah.
You see all the big old just dump trucks and stuff like that.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool to actually go there.
Yeah.
See like an actual like active mine.
Very cool.
Like the old timey, you see like the old tracks right there. Chipmunk Crossing. I'm big enough. Who knows if they get it? Would just be me and you just kind of packed in there.
No, because the last guy that went in there was pretty big, and he went in there with another lady and 2 kids.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, it's like, how deep is it? But
And then the tour guide lady probably
the operator
too, so yeah.
oh, down they go. Wow, you go fast down.
Feel the rope.
Yeah. That's good. That's pretty impressive for being like 1,000 feet down. And
Yeah.
get pulled up by like just a simple pulley.
Yeah, that's what was pretty cool. I'm excited.
For 2 cars as well, yeah.
See, and there was like a bunch of people in that car.
Yeah,
Little tight fit.
they crammed them in. I guess it makes sense why there's no farting allowed on the cage. Strictly forbidden by the Mines Association.
Well, you better watch
Mines
out.
regulations. I got it out of the way.
Farting.
Make sure, yeah.
This is so cool.
This is awesome. I like the little vine car tracks.
Yeah.
Oh, you can really feel it though. It feels nice down there.
And remember, this is not a museum. This is an old gold mine. You can be loud, you can laugh, we can all have fun. Okay? You can even touch stuff. Fair enough?
Doing it.
All right, here we are, Cripple Creek. But they would have been working in conditions similar to this.
Oh, wow.
Good luck hitting the head of that drill steel every time. You swing and miss, hit your buddy on the shoulder, guess what?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're switching places about every 30 minutes. So
Yeah.
there might be a little payback coming your way. So now you have your choice. You can run that shovel for the next 8 hours, or you can run this. Let me know what you think.
cool.
Any
Yeah.
takers on the shovel?
No.
No?
I don't want to do that.
I think so.
Already have the dog in here.
Hey, happy 5 foot help.
You're made for at least working in the
I was
mines.
made for working in the mines. Hey, dwarves work mines.
You guys want to see some dynamite?
Yes.
Sure.
Good answers. I've only gotten one hard no so far. 10-year-old little girl, she started walking back towards me. So here we have the 1912 drifter drill. Looks a little better than a sledgehammer, yeah? This was a 2-man operation. It weighs about 150 pounds. You can slide up and down this guide bar. You can swivel it left and right. You can pivot it up and down. So now in an 8-hour shift, 2 guys are expected to be able to drill an entire blast pattern. Get a pack full of dynamite, set it off, and then come back in and muck it out or clean it up. They were advancing 6 feet per shift, 18 feet a day. Very slow process even with the drills. I'll demonstrate the drifter drill here for you real quick. This is really loud.
There's just a lot of guys that couldn't hear.
What? They didn't have much for hearing protection early on. Supplies overall were very limited up here at the top of the mountain. They would tear off the ends of their cigarettes, and eventually filtered cigarettes came out. They would use those filters for the hearing protection. Better than nothing.
Makes sense.
And then they stopped using the dynamite. Started using what's called ANFO or ANFO mix. It looks like this here in this little jar. It's a combination of fertilizer and diesel fuel. Same stuff that was used in the Oklahoma City bombing back in 1995. So you can imagine how powerful it is. But it was also cheaper than the dynamite, and they didn't have to worry about the temperatures down here. Well, down here they weren't looking for that typical gold color that we all know. That's what happens when it's processed or it's been sitting on the surface, oxidizing for hundreds or thousands of years. Down here they were looking for purple. This color here. That's fluorite. The gold is trapped in the fluorite. This would all be known as gold-bearing ore. And when I talked about them creating the drifts following the gold, they were chasing what they called gold veins, but they're actually purple. Pretty simple design, but very efficient for what they were doing.
Falling down on their heads also.
We'll talk about that as soon as I'm done. Ready? This is the loudest thing we got.
It doesn't bother you no more.
It's only a couple seconds, yeah. But that's when you would decide to quit smoking those cigarettes. Start stuffing them into your ears. Because yeah, more than 2 or 3 seconds, it's going to start doing some damage.
Air donkey ride.
Air donkey ride.
I don't think I've ever ridden on an actual donkey, but
I've ridden on
this
an
is the
actual
first of an air donkey.
Air donkey. I mean, it's pretty big.
Deep in the heart of gold mine here in Colorado.
Everybody look at this.
It's like Colorado's like Disneyland.
I'm sure you guys have all heard it before. Please keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. I do not recommend standing up. You guys in the front want to put your hands up in the air when we go down the big drop. That's fine.
One more.
Of course it is. There we go.
All right, everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's hear your best train whistle. there any questions about what's going on in this area?
Did they just dig a hole?
No, you're not gonna run to the surface every time. They did what they could. They used the empty dynamite boxes as toilets.
All right.
Whose job do you think it was to get those to the surface at the end of the day?
Bob's.
Yeah, that's on the kids. Bob gets a break on that one.
Not too bad.
Yeah, it's actually really
It's a hell of a
cool.
lot better
Alright,
than the
Tracy,
other
move.
go.
Everybody's good up there?
Yeah.
How that works? That's kind of cool.
Yeah, there's a, I don't know if you saw the tire on the track back there. Just bumps into the tire, can't go anywhere. All the air,
Just- yeah, it
eventually
just
the air
stops.
comes out.
Nice.